Welcome to the Wellness Universe Lounge. If you are an instructor and you've already created a class and have gone back to check the description that you input and realize that you want to make some changes, for example, here I have some odd characters that shouldn't be here in the description, and I want to make an edit. I'm going to teach you how to do that now, and to avoid ripping your hair out and ease of use of the editing area, I'm going to take you there right now. So I'm going to go to my account. I'm going to access this class while I still have it open here, by the way. You don't want to close this out. You want to go over to where you see your classes that you're instructing, and then there's a little pencil here. You want to click on that pencil. And here's a really important tip of why I left the class open in another tab. As soon as I put my cursor in the class description, the entire description disappears. So you want to go back to your original class. You want to click on See All. You want to copy and paste your description of your class back into the new area where you're editing for the class description, and you just want to clean this up or type in new information or whatever. But once you have it here, you can click in other areas of the class and then still go back to the description to edit it, and it won't disappear until you save the class. So here is how you make your edits for your class description. Very important that you follow this tip, or else you're going to go and edit your class and you're going to lose the entire description. So please have it open in another tab and copy and paste it in and then make your edits. You cannot go straight into the edit mode and straight into your description and make your edits, because your information will disappear when you click on the description box. So you'll have to repaste whatever's there and edit it fresh. Okay, guys, so that's it. You save your changes and you want to return to your panel. I'll go to my class again, and you should see that the edits took place. Now I have no more of those crazy characters that were there before. So hopefully this helps, and enjoy.